As soon as you thought you were back on top of your financial game, something else happened and knocked you back down into the pit of financial misery. Would something like this happen in real life? Quite a few people are. Because of a life-threatening emergency or a once-in-a-lifetime chance, you may have had to pay more than you had planned. Because of the conditions, you had just reclaimed control over your spending when you pushed yourself back down. Debt is an unavoidable part of life, as everyone knows. Your debt is increasing, so what are you going to do? What are your choices for fixing this situation? Taking out a loan is only one of many alternatives available to you. Our goal is to assist you in selecting the finest type of loan for your particular situation. There's a good chance that a lot of people will go with a secured UK secured loan because the loan sizes and interest rates are so flexible. That is up to you whether that is the case. How much money you borrow is completely up to you. A variety of other factors determine the interest rate that is imposed on the principal. Several considerations must be made if you intend to borrow a specific amount of money and repay it over a specific time period. You can choose how often you make repayments and how long you keep the loan if you choose a secured UK secured loans, which is the amount of time you expect to pay the loan back. If you want to pay it back in installments, you can spread the loan out over a longer period of time. Always compare prices. A suitable amount of money can be found with low interest rates, an attractive payback period, and a repayment frequency that meets your needs if you do some research. This is what you'll find. It's possible that a secured loan from the secured UK will help you meet your utility bill requirements, so that you may pay off your entire arrears and energy bills at once. You can take out a loan to do just that. You can keep the water and the lights on with this way. Think about taking out a slightly larger loan than the sum of all of your existing expenses in order to apply a small credit to each outstanding balance. You'll be able to restore your good standing with the utility companies, and you'll have a grace period of a month or two before you have to start paying back the loan and the additional utility bills you accrue. You will be able to maintain a standard of living, even if it requires some financial restriction. It's possible to get a secured loan from the UK in a wide range of ways. Consolidating your electricity bills and keeping the lights on at home are two approaches to assist you to rebuild your reputation. Secured loans are increasingly being included in people's entire financial planning. Is it worth it to switch to solar power in order to save money on your rising utility bills? Save money